Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth tech insights. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we confidently call the best RGB mechanical gaming keyboard on the market right now, the Redragon K582 RGB. Let's dive straight in. At first glance, the K582 has a clean, full-size 104-key layout that feels solid and professional. It's got that sleek black finish that fits right into any gaming setup, but where it truly shines is under the hood, or rather, under the keycaps. This keyboard is equipped with Redragon's own pluggable red switches. These are linear switches, which means there's no tactile bump, just a smooth keystroke from top to bottom. If you're into fast-paced games or need something responsive and quiet for both gaming and work, this switch type is an absolute winner. Smooth, consistent, and surprisingly satisfying. These keys require minimal actuation force, making every press feel effortless. And they're built to last. We're talking a rated lifespan of 50 million keystrokes. That's serious endurance. Now, let's talk RGB. The K582 doesn't just dabble in lighting, it owns it. With dynamic 16.8 million RGB backlighting, it offers 6 unique themes and 18 different lighting models. You can personalize the effects using the function keys or the Redragon software. Whether you like wave patterns, ripple effects, or static single-color tones, there's something for every aesthetic. Plus, brightness is adjustable, so whether you're in a dimly lit room or in broad daylight, you're covered. Another feature that sets this keyboard apart is the N-key rollover. That means every single one of the 104 keys is anti-ghosting. No matter how many keys you press at once, your inputs will register accurately and instantly. For competitive gamers, this is non-negotiable. The build is no slouch either. It features double-shot ABS keycaps which ensure your key legends won't fade even after years of intense use. The solid frame gives it a premium, durable feel, nothing plasticky or flimsy here. Connectivity-wise, the K582 uses a reliable USB wired connection with a gold-plated connector to ensure stable data transmission. No delays, no missed keystrokes, just a pure connection between you and the game. Compatibility is broad. It works seamlessly with Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista, XP, and even Mac OS X. So no matter your platform, the Redragon K582 is ready to plug and play. One last thing to mention, the software support. Redragon's customization software lets you fully reprogram any key and create macros, giving you next-level control over your gameplay. Whether you're grinding MMOs or running high-level competitive shooters, that level of personalization can make a real difference. The Redragon K582 is more than just a flashy keyboard. It's a durable, highly responsive, fully programmable piece of gear built for serious gamers. From smooth red switches to vibrant RGB lighting and unmatched durability, it checks all the boxes. If you're looking to upgrade your setup, this is the keyboard to beat. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see a comparison with other mechanical keyboards. Until next time, game on.